This is my tutorial for a winter landscape peekaboo tumbler. I have already sanded and prepped my tumbler with an 80 grit sanding block and Colorshot spray paint in white primer and extra guacamole. Now I'm ready to add my glitters. I'll be doing the epoxy method to apply my glitters because it's easier for me to blend my glitter colors this way, but feel free to do whatever glitter application method is easiest for you. Let your glitter layer cure, seal with a clear sealer, then we'll be ready to add our stencil vinyl for our trees and sun. Or moon! I don't know if you guys realize this, but 9 times out of 10, I have zero direction when I start my tumbler tutorials. I literally just grab 2 tumblers and start to play. The first tumbler I practice on, and the second one is the one I film for the tutorial. So because of this, I sometimes change my mind as to the direction I think I want to go as I'm making the tumbler. So for this design, I was planning on having some peekaboo snowflakes along the top, hence, all the white glitter. But then I decided to go for a more realistic look and instead use glitter to represent the snow. So I didn't want to waste all the white glitter that I had put at the top by not showing any at all. So instead I decided to add a circle to represent the sun or moon. Art can be relative or subjective, so that little round circle can be whatever you want it to be. Or don't add it at all. Do what you want, fam. Do what you want. Now you can stop here and just use the spray paint you just applied as your background, but we all like to create depth around here, so I'll be adding some depth with alcohol inks. When you're all finished applying your inks, peel up your stencils. I let my alcohol ink dry overnight. Now I'm ready to seal with epoxy. But to give my landscape that hazy snow day look, I'll be adding some magic Peacock micas and silver into my leftover epoxy to give me a little bit of that, that hazy cloudy look that you see on a winter morning or evening / night. Cure, then we'll be ready to add our snow. As I stated earlier in the tutorial, I wanted a more realistic look for my snow, so I'm going to be mixing chunky Parabatai from Peachy Olive Glitters into my leftover epoxy and applying it all over my tumbler. It gives the perfect look for snow and adds some extra sparkle, not too much. We don't want a blizzard, but a soft snowfall kind of look. But you know what? If you want a blizzard, do whatever you want. As my spirit animal Bob Ross says, this is your world. You want a blizzard, you do a blizzard, fam. Let cure, then we'll be ready to add our decal. Loving the gray, but my favorite color is blue, but the gray really reminds me of a winter snow wintry day. Blue or gray, y'all. Let me know which one you like in the comments. Seal until smooth, and then you'll be all done. That's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun making your winter landscape peekaboo tumblers, and I'll see you again next time.